So the best situation, like I said, for maximizing the tax benefits for your child is when you're a business owner or self-employed and you're the one that's employing them. And it's best if you can pay them as a W-2 employee for tax purposes, as long as they qualify. And so when you do that, as you pay them, you get a business deduction for whatever compensation they receive. So if you're a high income earner, that's going to be a big tax savings for you, the business owner, like maybe 40% or even higher. And so when you're employing your child, on top of that, neither you nor your child have to pay Social Security or Medicare taxes. So that's a really good deal on top of saving on the taxes yourself. So between you and your child, that Medicare and Social Security tax totals up to a little over 15%. So you can avoid that when you're employing a child. And then on top of all this, if your child is earning less than $13,850, and that's for 2023 tax numbers, this will change every year based on the standard deduction. But if your child's earning less than $13,850, they're not going to have to pay any federal income taxes themselves. And so state and local taxes can sometimes be due, but that'll depend totally on your location. So basically, you're able to get a really good tax deduction or a business expense on the money you pay them. So it's almost like pre-tax, or tax deductible on the money you pay them. And then your kids more than likely shouldn't be paying any tax themselves. So it's pre-tax because it's a business expense, and then your kids get it tax-free if they're below threshold. And then if they can put it into a Roth IRA that is also tax-free and grows tax-free, that's a home run. It's like no tax on all levels. So it's a really good deal, and it, throws some compound interest on top of that. It's a home run. But I really think it's important to emphasize, of course you got to follow the rules. That's important. You got to do that. But this whole fiscal responsibility and financial literacy is huge. I think you have to really think about that for your children and making sure that you've checked those boxes, or at least thought about it before you start doing it. So those are the big points to think about when you're considering funding Roth IRA for your children.